Hello everybody, today I'm going to share with you this pretty unique PL preheat fluorescent fixture. Now, a little bit behind where I got this from, I recently went on a trip with one of my best friends and his father out to Reno, Nevada, and we spent the week seeing the sights there and a little bit of California as well, since it's so close. Anyway, they had a restore and I decided to go to it. Not a lot for different types of lighting, but they had a bunch of these fixtures here, which maybe you would use in a apartment complex or a hotel, and I decided to pick one of them up for $5 as a little memento or souvenir from Reno, Nevada. So here is my preheat PL fluorescent fixture from the trip. So this is how I found it. It had some tape on it to hold it together, and all of them at the restore did. But if we take this off, we'll find the socket here, and there's no brand name on this fixture anywhere, and we'll see that as we go in further. However, we do have the ballast here. Robertson Transformer Company. It says it's for 6, 7, 8, and 9 watt lamps. So I ended up buying a 9 watt quad tube PL bulb for this fixture. I wasn't able to find one out there at a Home Depot or Lowe's, and they didn't have any at the restore, so I ended up getting one at Batteries Plus Bulbs, I think is what it's called. Never been in one of those before, so that was my first time. They had the type of bulb I was looking for this, so I decided to get it there anyway. But here's the metal part and the main part of the fixture. Pretty simple. Here we have the back plate that would go on the wall and to separate the fixture from the electrical box. Here we have a nice hole for the wires to go through with a grommet type thing to prevent the wires from fraying. Here we have a nice big gasket. Again, this goes with that against the wall, and it's a pretty decent thickness. Here's the bulb that I got. We'll look at that more in a bit. Another gasket here. This one goes around the frame to prevent water from getting in to the fixture itself, so it would go around like that, but we'll just set that aside. In here we have the hardware for the fixture. I haven't opened this up, but we get our little rod to go to the electrical box, which uses one of these, you thread it in the middle and you screw it on the box. Inside we also have what appears to be a grounding wire and the tamper-proof screws that would go on the shade here to prevent people from getting into it. So here we have the instructions. Now, when I was reading through this, I wasn't able to find anything about the manufacturer, but you can see how it goes together. So, pretty interesting. It looks like there also is a dual bulb version as well. In the back we have some caution information, but very nice. Go ahead and set that aside, and here we have our refractor. We can see the design in the inside, just something basic. This one is milky frosted. They had two of these fixtures that were clear with the same type of pattern, but those were incandescent instead of fluorescent, so I really wanted the preheat PL version. So here we have that. So there's everything. I guess we'll go ahead and take a look at the bulb. This came from Batteries Plus Bulbs, I believe is what the store name is. Not a lot in there, but they had this, and I really like this color temperature. They also had warm white, but I liked just white. So if you open this up, we will find our bulb. So there's the company, and 9 watt 3500K. Very nice. Interesting thing is that apparently this company is based here in Wisconsin. Very cool. Anyway, let's go ahead and put this fixture together a little bit. I have a cord here, so we can wire this up. So we got our ballast. Of course, you'd have to put, all this together, but I'm not doing that. I have some of these wire nuts that I got from the estate sale, garage sale a while back. I don't have any others down here. These are kind of big, but it's all good. I'm not going to twist these together because I don't really want this to be permanent. Just enough to show you all what it looks like on. So normally you would of course twist these wires together, but like I said, I'm just doing this very temporarily, and to prevent the wires from getting more damage than they need right now, I'm just going to do that. Not very safe, you should really twist them together. But that's pretty much it. There it's wired together. And there we have the fixture. And we'll take our bulb. I thought of using a 7-watt PL bulb, but it would be too long for this fixture, so I think a 9-watt quad tube is exactly what this is designed for. And here we have our cover, so it would go on, and that's what the fixture would look like. Very nice. I'll set that there. I would turn off the lights, but all the lights are actually windows, so I can't really close them. So, let's plug it in. Very nice. Now, it looks a little brighter on camera, but in person, it's not really warmed up all the way either. But it will warm up a little bit more, and it equals about a 40-watt bulb. That's to be expected out of this 9-watt PL bulb. Of course, we can also just look at the lumens here and tell as well. But we'll go ahead and... It has a very nice sound for the starter in this bulb. Very nice. We'll put the cover back on. Very cool. I could totally see this in a hotel or some type of apartment complex. These fixtures are just so basic, but when they're preheat like this, that's so cool. One more time. So, there is my little souvenir that I got from Reno, Nevada. Very cool. So, of course, there's all these gaskets and things that went with it. But there you go. I really do hope you enjoyed this video of this 9-watt PL preheat Vandal-proof fluorescent fixture. Also, please comment, rate, and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.